Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the dividend portfolio increase in the position that we are doing, and we're changing up the strategy a little bit for this month because I was thinking about it and just the way things work, and I'll obviously explain that as we go through. We will update the Track Your Dividends site that's tracking our dividends and update the info on there. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we will get right into it. Portfolio closed out at for the week here of $2,748.85. That is for the day. For the week here, we were up $58.02, up 2.16%. For the 1 month, we are up $5.42, up 0.2%. For the 3 months, we will be up, if it loads, we are up $213.50, up 8.42%. For the 1 year, which is coming up here, is up $303.85, up 12.43%. And same thing for the all. So we will get right into it, starting off with ticker symbol BCE, which is Bell Canada, closing out at $55.46, down 59 cents on the day, and down 1.05%. We own 2 shares of BCE. Total position value of $110.92. Our average price of getting in is $58.05. And it holds about 4.05% of the portfolio. We are down $1.18 on the day. And our total return since owning the position is $5.18. The next position we have is BMO, closing out at $97.84, down 9 cents on the day, down 0.09%. We own 5 shares of BMO. Total position value of $489.20. Our average price of getting in is $81.32, and it holds about 17.86% of the portfolio. We are down currently 45 cents on the day, end of the week, and our total return since owning the position is $82.60, up 20.31%, and that is BMO. Bank of Nova Scotia closing out at $69.99, up 11 cents on the day, up 0.16%. We own 7 shares. Total position value of $489.93. Our average price of getting in is $54.58. And it holds about 17.89% of the portfolio. And today's return was 77 cents. And our total return since owning the position is $107.88, up 28.24%. Next position we own is Loblaw's, ticker symbol L, closing out at $62.02, down 23 cents on the day, down 0.37%. We own 6 shares. Total position value of $372.12. Our average price of getting in is $63.27, and it holds about 13.59% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $1.38, and since owning the position, we are down $7.51. And so this was the position we increased last week, and we didn't update it this week, and we're going to talk about that because there is a change in the strategy that I was thinking of doing, just to balance out the portfolio a bit. But next position we have is MFC, and that is Manulife Financial Corporation, closing out at $24.11, up 8 cents on the day, up 0.33%. We own 17 shares. Total position value of $409.87. Our average price of getting in is $19.26. And it holds about 14.97% of the portfolio. Today's return was $1.36. Since owning the position, we are up $82.43. Next one is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $106.68, up 38 cents on the day, up 0.36%. We own 4 shares of Royal Bank of Canada. Total position value of $426.72. Our average price of getting in is $106.74. It holds about 15.58% of the portfolio. Today's return was up $1.52. And since owning the position, we are down 25 cents. And next position is TELUS, ticker symbol T, closing out at $27, up 24 cents, up 0.90% on the day. We own 8 shares because this is the position we updated. We used to own 4, now we own 8. Total position value of $216. Average price of getting in now is $26.13, and it holds about 7.89% of the portfolio. Today's return is $1.36, and our total return since owning the position is $6.96, up 3.33%. We had bought this on Friday, so last day of the market's being opened. We purchased 4 shares at $26.90, which came at a total cost of $107.60. The reason that I'm updating this position is because I want to balance out the portfolio where it's about 12 to 13% for each position that I hold. And the reason I chose TELUS, because as you can see, if we go back to Loblaws now holds 13.59% of the portfolio, which is fine. So that position is okay. I know for me, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging that one down. But first I want to increase my position in TELUS and my position in Bell Canada. And the reason being these two specifically is because their position, the portfolio is only about 4% before, but now that we've increased the position on TELUS, we've increased it to 7.89%. And so the reason I'm doing this is because the date that these dividends get paid, so the ex-dividend date, for those that are new, is the date that you have to hold the position, buy, and be on the books of the company to receive a dividend. And when it comes to TELUS, BCE, and TD, well, not TD specifically, but TELUS and BCE, Bell Canada, is that the ex-dividend date always lands somewhere in the middle of the month for some reason. So you have to start increasing your position halfway in the month previous to make sure that you hold a position before the ex-dividend date to receive a dividend payment for these companies. And so for me, I'm going to be increasing these positions because I think it is next month that I have to hold the position somewhere mid-March to receive a dividend payment. And so I want to increase these positions because if I did it from month to month on these ones here, I would only be able to purchase like during the week. There's like 1 week in that month that I would purchase, and I would just be growing that position just so slowly. And because of TELUS and Bell, because of where they're at and quote unquote kind of a tech company with telecommunications, I want to increase the position in these at the same pace. And so these ones are will be a different story when it comes to that. So that is why we are increasing the position on TELUS and changing the position up a bit. So I want to get this position up to about 12 or 13%, maybe even 14%, and then move on back to BCE, which is Bell Canada, and increase this position. And it would give me the opportunity to dollar cost average down, have a smaller entry price of, instead of $58.05, somewhere in that $55. And that would make this portfolio a bit more balanced. And then I can just go back to Loblaws or Manulife, which would on a regular basis, on a regular time that we would be investing, are the positions that I would increase in for the month of February. But that is not the case because I'm changing it up a little bit just so that I can increase and balance out the portfolio in a proper way. But yeah, that is TELUS. We have increased the position from 4 shares to 8 shares, now holding 7.89% of the portfolio. And I will probably be doing it next week as well, just to get that up. And so, yeah, so hopefully that makes sense. And the next position, the last position is TD, Toronto Dominion Bank, closing out at $74.60, down 7 cents on the day, down 0.09%. We own 3 shares of this. Total position value of $223.80. Our average price of getting in is $71.94, and it holds about 8.17% of the portfolio. Today's return is down 21 cents, but our total return since owning the position is $7.97, up 3.69%. And so yeah, that is where we're at for the portfolio. But we'll just go here because now we can head over to trackyourdividends.com, which is over here, and increase our position here or update the position on here. Total portfolio value is $2,631. That is with all the positions. This does not include the cash portion, but we were up $275. I think that's not right. That might be wrong, because we were 303, I believe, in the portfolio. Dividend yield is 3.3%. Yield on cost 3.69. There is some going on here because this is not supposed to be $87. Let me just do a quick scan here of what is going on. Oh, there it is. Bank of Nova Scotia. This is incorrect. If we do the math here, because dividends are not that much. They're more than that. That is not right. You know what? We'll worry about it later. Maybe it'll update during that thing. And I also noticed that TD is not correct either. TD is 79 cents per share. If we times that by 3, it's $2.37 for the quarter times 4 every quarter. This should say $9.48, not $4.74. So there is a discrepancy here. Obviously, maybe they're doing an update on here, but that is the biggest notice, unless I'm missing anything else. No, that's okay. It's all right. So we'll just update the portfolio here. TELUS is ticker symbol T.TO because we are in Canada. We bought 4 shares of this, cost basis of $26.90, and add, and it should update. There we go. So yeah, this is not right. We should be over $100 a year on the dividends. Yield on cost is off as well. Interesting. But anyways, based on this, even though it's not accurate right now, and remember, this is a free site, so I'm not paying for the membership, but it is a bit off. But anyways, position value according to Track Your Dividends is $2,739. We are up $275. Currently, this is not accurate at all. But I guess that's okay. Maybe they're updating it or something, or maybe going to be fixing it. But let me just double check. I think it's Bank of Nova Scotia that is incorrect here. Just bear with me here. I'm going to filter. 630. Bank of Nova Scotia, 7 shares. So it should be 90 cents per share on Bank of Nova Scotia. Yeah. Bank of Nova Scotia should be 90 cents times 7 shares, which is on the screen, which is $6.30. I just want to make sure that's right. Sorry, now I'm doing math in front of everyone. It's $6.30 times 4 because there's a quarter in every year. That number that says 1260 right here should say 2520. So there is a discrepancy, and the yield is off by a bit, and same with TD. So hopefully they fix that. So sorry, I can't give you an accurate number. But yeah, that is that. There's always technical difficulties when it comes to that kind of stuff, but it's all right. Oh no, the portfolio is right. It's not wrong. So back at the back to the Track Your Dividends, it is correct. The $2,739 is correct, but the yield and the dividend yield are off, and the annual income for the dividends, but that's okay. But you guys obviously get it. So that is the update for the portfolio this week, guys. And we'll be doing the same next week, but we will probably see you on Tuesday when we deposit $100 a week every Tuesday, and then update a position or increase a position by Friday, and then get a video out sometime on the weekend for you. And so hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Thank you again for all your guys' support. We did pass the 300 subscriber mark, and so obviously I'm doing something right, I think. And if not, please leave a comment down below and just let me know what I could do better. But again, hope you guys did enjoy the video, and hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.